If you're suffering from lower back or hip pain, then a major part of that is likely caused by an imbalance in your hip stabilization strength. In this video, I'm going to teach you the one exercise that can help fix all of that.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
The single leg deadlift is an excellent exercise that we use in the UMS to overcome imbalances in the hip stabilization system. Because it's a unilateral exercise, it encourages an increased imbalance. And you're likely to find that when you start, one side is going to be way worse than the other side. So what do you need to do? Well, choose the amount of weight and the reps that you do with the weaker side and then match it with the stronger side. It'll feel like the weak side got a really good workout and the strong side barely got touched, but that imbalance will work itself out over time. And guess what? When those imbalances start to iron themselves out, that's when we start to alleviate those aches and pains that we thought we were stuck with forever. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to teach the 3 coaching cues that you need to know in order to nail the technique of this exercise.
Single leg deadlift. We use this in the UMS to strengthen the glutes as a hip stabilization unit. Stand on one leg, holding the kettlebell in the opposite hand. Bend at the hip and knee without rounding the back. As you come up, drive the hips forward to maximize glute activation. It is important to note that you are aiming for the movement to majorly come from hip flexion. You're not looking for a big bend in the knee, but you are looking to bend forward as far as your flexibility will allow. Ensure the knee doesn't collapse inward. Make sure that the knee travels forward over the toes. The 3 cues to think of when performing the exercise are: keep your hips facing forward, hinge at the hip, knees track over toes.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.